Hello.
Hey.
It's Josh.
And Leslie.
With JNLadventures.com.
The world is our playground.
That's right. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We've all survived the food coma and we're awake and alert. Huh?
Survived quite well.
Yes.
We already had morning leftovers. Oh
Yep.
my gosh.
It was so good.
Y'all, if I can make one request or one suggestion, try the recipe I posted. OMG.
It is good. Well, I take her word for it. It is good. I don't care for chocolate or peanut butter or any of that. So.
But it was all the rave at the holiday party.
Yeah, everybody that tried it liked it. So. All right, so we're doing a little bit of a technical support video today.
Some people shop for gifts on Friday, on Black Friday. We shop for, tell them what we shop for on Black Friday.
Power steering fluid.
Woohoo! Nothing gets me as excited.
That's right. We have a 2010 Chevy Impala. I don't know if we've mentioned that before. And, I mean, it's got almost 150,000 miles on it. So it's starting to, you know, show its age. You know, it's had a lot of miles put on it. So
it's starting to remind us on a daily basis that we are very excited about our future Denali.
That's right. So one of the things that comes up when you get a higher mileage vehicle is you got to start kind of keeping an eye on things. And so in this case, it's our power steering fluid. We go through about a quart every 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, I would say. Every couple of days, I got to put in a little bit more, and we've taken it to a shop. They can't seem to find the leak. But it makes this horrible grinding noise, and I'm sure a lot of you know what I'm talking about. So, what we got?
Hear it? Shall we show them so they know the noise?
We'll cut the video right here, and we'll put in a little clip of what it sounds like. Here we go. All right, that's good. You gotta leave it running when I put the power steering fluid in. Okay, thank you. All right. So, let's see. Yeah, pretty much bone dry, and it smells like it's burnt. All right, so I'm going to take care of this. Just for your viewing and audio pleasure here.
Because we're so wonderful.
Yes. But anyway, we've been just buying regular power steering fluid. But this is, I think it's, now, again, blind guy trying to read here. CarQuest power steering fluid, but it also has stop leak in it. So it...
you know, I can read. Did you know that?
Yeah, restores your seals. Hey, don't be rude. Anyway, so we're gonna try this, and we're gonna see if it will at least slow down the leak a little bit. But so this will be kind of a two-part video. We'll do this first part, and then we'll tell you how it does in about a week. So,
can I ask you how that was rude?
I'm just playing with you. You think I'm serious?
No, I was just saying I could help you.
Well, I was in the middle of reading.
I know you can read.
I appreciate you. You know that. Trouble.
I've tried to be very nice today.
Mm-hmm. She has. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the video here. And I'm going to put this in. And we'll see how it goes. So see you in a bit. Fluid in. Go ahead. Oh. We're going to see if we see it spray in anywhere. All right, we're going to check it and add a little bit more, see what's up. Okay. It's still good, so we're going to raise the RPMs and we're going to... And as loud as and annoying as that was, the reason I do that is raising the RPMs makes the pump turn faster, so it pushes all, or hopefully will push all the air out of the lines. So I'm going to go ahead and check it again here. Let's see. Now the level's gone down a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit more. And then we're going to drive it a little bit, and we'll see how we're doing. So as you can see, now that we've done that high RPM and we pushed the air out of the lines, the noise is completely gone. So go ahead and do the back and forth for me one time. Leave the idle where it is, but go ahead and just turn the wheel, please. See, we're still getting a little bit, but not near as bad as we were. And that'll go away as we drive. That's good. All right, so we're going to get out of here and go get done the rest of our errands, and we'll let you know later on how it goes. So that's it for now. So as you saw, we got the power steering fluid in. It's still making the noise a little bit, but as we drive and work the air out of the lines, it should stop doing that. Plus I added a little bit more power steering fluid than what is supposed to be in there, because I figure once it pushes the air out of the lines, it's going to fill up those lines with fluid again, so the level's going to drop. So I've been trying to compensate for that. But I just wanted to thank my awesome wife for working the mechanicals, you know, keeping the throttle up and doing the turning the wheel and everything, so I could stay there and focus on or see where I could see where the leak was coming from. And of course I couldn't. So, but I just wanted to thank her for her help with this. And we will keep you updated as to how this is going. So, do you have any comments or anything?
Nope.
Is it a little easier to turn now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So yeah, if you ever hear that sound just like what we played for you, and the wheel is hard to turn, you know, go ahead and check your power steering fluid, because that 99% of the time is what's causing the issue, and all you need to do is just add some fluid to it. So that's my mechanical tip for the day, and we'll get back with you here soon, let you know how things are going. See you later.
Happy Black Friday shopping.
Happy Black Friday shopping. Keep safe out there. Don't let anyone knock you over the head with anything. All right. Bye.